السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. Respected judges and my dear friends, we are gathered here in this occasion to celebrate Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's milad. In this occasion, I want to talk about one of the most debated topics in the world, atheism and Islam in the modern age. We know that Islam is one of the most fastest growing religion in the world, while the atheism is fastest growing non-religion. Atheism, Islam is growing faster in this modern world, and atheism has a foothold in the places where Islam has been guiding light. What is atheism? Atheism is built on the idea that there is no God, and everything in the world can be explained through natural causes. It relies on scientific explanations mostly. It assumes that science, reason, and human understandings are enough to explain our existence. While Islam says that there is a divine creator, everything in the world reflects that there is a divine creator that is called Allah. The Quran teaches us that most of the verses Quran repeatedly says that there is a creator. هو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض وما بينهما. It's Allah who created the earth and the heaven and the thing between these things. Everything created Allah. Atheism, we can ask many questions to the atheism. Atheism cannot provide most of the life's fundamental questions satisfactory answers. For example, let's take the beginning of the universe. Atheism relies on the answer just like scientific explanations, like Big Bang theory. It says that this universe began by Big Bang, a large explanation. But there is a question that remains. What caused Big Bang theory? And what was here before Big Bang happened? While Islam clearly answers that there was a divine creator, Allah, He created all the things. He created heaven and earth and human, everything in the world. Islam clearly answers to this question. And another flawless of the atheism is that atheism cannot answer to the lives, to the purpose to the lives. What is the purpose of the lives? Islam says that we are created to worship Allah, but atheism cannot say what is the purpose of life. Atheism sees the human being as an organism, as a biological organism, while Islam clearly defines what is the life and what is spirit. Atheism also flawless to explain that what is the soul, what is the consequence of the soul. Science cannot clearly explain that why there is the spiritual consequences to human life. While Islam clearly says that there is two souls, human body and soul, spiritual soul. By saying this, I conclude my speech. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.